Hello everyone! My mom and sister are visiting family in the Netherlands, and so this week I've been staying in New Jersey watching their cats. I wanted to make the most of this week and the beautiful autumn weather, so I decided to do one of my favorite things, which is go walking in the woods. It's been more difficult to prioritize getting into nature since moving to Philadelphia, and especially as the cold weather approaches. But nature walks are one of my favorite ways to relax and get inspired. I went to Manasquan Reservoir and walked a gentle 5 or 6 mile loop, and I decided to use what I saw there as subject matter for embroidering a shirt. I love investigating the trail to see how the fallen leaves are doing and what shapes they're taking. Even though it's getting colder every day, there were still a few blooms persevering, as well as some saplings with bright green leaves. Also, I got to see so many rambunctious squirrels, which brightened my spirits. I have no idea what this is, but I thought it was really cool. Alright everyone, this is how the shirt came out. I chose all shades of a bluish green, almost like a seafoam colored thread for the outline of the drawings that I made. And yeah, that's pretty much the process of how I go about getting inspiration from a nature walk. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back again soon with another video. Hope you all have a great rest of your week, and until next time, bye!